Oh y'all, what's up, y'all? What's y'all doing today? Alright, I've been watching this video. This guy travels the different country and he go camping in his truck, like different kind of parts, and he does eat different kinds of spicy um um stuff. So we're gonna look at this video and watch him camp, and he would he would take y'all on a walking trail. So and this guy right here would see the lakes and all that good stuff. So let's watch this.
Well, y'all, welcome back. So right now, I am at the tri-state marker of Colorado, Kansas, and Oklahoma. It's neat that they have this set up here. Kind of expected a larger marker like this somewhere. In fact, I almost feel like there has to be one. Well, I think it's on the road, maybe. I'll have to walk out there and check. Yeah, check that out.